Your Honor, I want to also say good morning to you because this is a morning, a midnight, as we call it. Have you not seen what is going on in the southeast part of Nigeria? Have you not seen the killings in southeast part of Nigeria? Please, if you are in the southeast, please, I would want you to comment and make sure you share this across to the nation and across to the international nation to come for the aid of the people in the southeast. Southeast is located in the southeast part of Nigeria called the Igbos or the Biafrans. I want to bring this notice across to all sectors of the economy, all sectors of the security, all the sectors of the international law. I want the international law to wedge into this problem. I want the International Criminal Court to wedge into this problem. I want all the who is who. Please continue sharing this across all the network you have so that they will know what is going on. People don't want to talk because if they talk, they will be traced and be killed. I will not keep quiet. My name is Ambassador Sengo Edwin. I can never keep quiet and see our people ravaged. Enough is enough in the southeast. Southeast has become a place where people are killed and nothing will happen. The Ebube that was formed some years ago by the southeastern governor, like the way Omoteku was formed in the southwest, we have not had any story of Omoteku killing innocent people, especially in the Imo State. Imo State is located in the eastern heartland of the Igbo land. The Ebube should be proscribed. As I am talking to you, I want this to go across the international community. People in diaspora, the Igbo in diaspora, the Biafrans in diaspora, please continue sharing this across. I saw what my eyes can never behold. According to the law of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that is the fundamental human right of the people gazetted by the international community, which was adopted in Nigeria and it becomes the law, according to the section 12 of the Nigerian Constitution, 1999 as amended. Let me read in parts. As the law stated it, it said every person has a right to life, and no one shall be deprived intentionally of his life, save in execution of the sentence of a court in respect of a criminal offense of which he has been found guilty in Nigeria. Now let me come. He said no one, whether the police, whether the Ebube, whether the army, whether anybody has the right to kill anybody, except by the court sentence, according to the law, if he is found guilty of the offense committed. But I am telling you, Ebube security now is a threat to the people. One, they kill innocent people. If they stop with their Sienna opened by the two sides, anyone in the southeast continue sharing this, because people have run away from Imo State. In several parts of the southeast, everybody have run away and left the house behind. Please continue sharing. When you see them moving with their healers or their Sienna opened by the two sides, anybody that sees them because they are threats to the people start running, they will shoot him and he will die instantly. And they will not carry the person, they will leave that person to show that they are operating illegally. The president of Nigeria, if you don't like the southeast, please quell this situation. This Ebube that came into existence by the southeastern governors. Even the southeastern governors are still now crying. In orlu precisely, Ebube have killed a lot of youths, terming them the indigenous people of Biafra or gunmen. How can everybody become gunmen? Ebube and the army have killed a lot of people in Orlu. For instance, in Oweruru, anywhere you see an army man now, everybody will be on the run. Is it supposed to be so in the army? Anywhere they see police, they start running. The Inspector General of Police, I call upon you, and the Chief of Army Staff and the Chief of Defense Staff, I call upon you to stop these people working with the police, working with the army. They have infiltrated their indiscipline into the police. Ebube has a uniform that was sewn for them to be wearing. But today, Ebube don't wear that uniform. And they are not identified. They are now like police. You cannot identify them. The police working with them can never be identified. They don't wear uniforms that has their name tag. It is in the police that any officer who is going for official duty should wear his uniform with his name tag, but they don't wear name tag again. They are working like touts in the city. So, Ebube have infiltrated their bad behavior into the police. They are collecting bribes everywhere you go. Drivers and motorists no longer ply the way, the area they are. See, the Commissioner of Police, if you go to Ochiri Junction, Ochiri House is located along Oboro Road in Orlu, Imo State. Motorists don't ply there again. They continue going inside damaged roads in the village in order to escape from them. Not because they don't have what it takes, because of falling into their hand and they kill them. The Commissioner of Police, the Chief of Army Staff, and the Chief Defense Force, the United Nations, please wage into this war immediately. Ebube is killing innocent people in Imo State. Ebube is killing innocent people in Imo State and nobody will talk. Continue sharing this if you want this mess to stop. Share it. If you don't know how to share it, tell someone around you to share it to all your platforms. Ebube should be proscribed, especially in Imo State. They are operating in some part of the state and some part of the state have rejected them. This is not the way Omoteku is operating. They are keeping their people. The Commissioner of Police, the Chief of Army Staff, and the Chief of Defense Staff, please, Oweruru, Orlu, Ihitowere, Obibiochasi, they are not criminals. They should stop killing people. Recently, last year, the Nigerian army went and destroyed a house in Obibiochasi Market. Set it on fire. What happened? Is it the rules of engagement? Earlier last year, this year, or thereabout 2024, the army people accosted a tipper man at Oweruru Junction because the man wanted to come out from the road and they were coming. Immediately they stopped and fired the back tires of that tipper. Fire the back tires of the tipper and destroy it. Go and make this inquiry. Go and make this inquiry. Don't go with uniform. Go with people, spies to make this inquiry. Send pressmen to go and make this inquiry. I am speaking from a source. Oweruru is in Orlu. After Oweruru, you see Obibiochasi. Many houses have been burnt by the army. Many houses, new houses, people are not living in. They say terrorists are living there, has been destroyed. You see the ones army is using their vehicle to destroy. This must stop. This nonsense must stop. I call in the international community, the human rights to arise. Proscribe Ebube and stop the army to kill people. If people see army, they start running. Because nobody knows who it will be tomorrow to kill. Army has become a threat to the people. One gunshot in Orlu remove 10 people immediately from Orlu because they don't want to die, not because they are criminals. Government of Nigeria, take note of this. Even if you hate or maybe you don't want to wage into Southeast problem, please stop the army from killing people. Stop the police from killing people. Stop Ebube from killing people. Ebube will see you. When they look at you, your motorcycle is good. They will carry it and the motorcycle is gone. It is gone. If they take you, they can kill you anywhere. You are gone. Many are missing today because of this Ebube problem. I cannot keep quiet. I'm a prophet. I can't keep quiet. Stop Ebube. Proscribe that organization. Good number of them are criminals that emerge from different communities. How can you get criminals to come and take security of the place? They are killing us. They are killing us. Please, I know the Imo State governor is using them, but for his selfish interest. Ebube is killing us. Proscribe it. You have the right to proscribe Ebube. Don't mix them up with the police. Don't mix them up with the army. They are infiltrating wickedness and criminality into the police. Thank you so much. Continue sharing this. Don't continue sharing this across to all platforms. If you don't share this, you are a wicked person in the Southeast. Share this across. Share it to the international community. If you know your brother that is in overseas, share it, because one day he comes, Ebube will catch him with his vehicle and term him a criminal and kill him. Continue sharing it. Share this. If anybody cannot talk, I can't keep quiet. Ebube is a criminal organization, because anybody that will kill people unlawfully is a criminal. That is what the law says. God bless you.